All right, so we just checked into the hotel here, and you can see the waves are absolutely pumping here in Cancun. This room here is about $100 a night. It's called the Crystal. All right, guys, Island Hoppers, welcome back. Just saw the hotel room. Now we're gonna go for a walk along the beach here. Beautiful white sand beach. I mean, this is Cancun at its finest, although the waves are pumping a little bit. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, depending on if you guys like waves. See, last time I was here, the water was like flat. But today, the Caribbean's pumping. So we'll see. We're gonna walk all the way over there. You're gonna come across the Hard Rock Cafe, some of these other places around here. Coco Bongo, get some food. That's what this walking tour is going to be all about. Showing you guys kind of the area we're at. Crush up the likes if you love Cancun and you're excited for this video. Let's get started. Mandela Beach. Let you guys feel this water. So, beautiful water. I mean, it's perfect. I actually am kind of happy it's got some waves today. Like I said, last time I was here, it was flat water, so that's Mandela Beach. What's going on with the Hard Rock? Is the Hard Rock still in business or what? Looks like their sign's like falling off and their building looks like weathered. Did COVID kill Hard Rock Cafe in Cancun? That'll be interesting. Got this little rock here right next to the hotels. Climb up here and see what it looks like. So I was surprised to see Hard Rock looks like it's like going out of business as of March 2021, but I can't tell. We'll have to double check on that when we get to the hotel zone side of the road. All right, now we're on the main street here. Los Chocolates. And you've even got a hostel right here. Look at this. Right in the middle of it all, you got a hostel. Natura. That's pretty good. Don't quite have an ocean view right here, but you got a nice little margarita deck. Let's go in here and see what they got. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Not enough tequila, that's for sure.
I said two, but...
Alright, look at that. That's octopus and shrimp. Ceviche. Alright, so we've made it back out onto the main strip here in Hotel Zone. The flea market, Coral Negro. Right there. Catch a bus right here. And now we're coming up to Cotorritos next to Cariza y Palma. They've even got a Alamo rental car. And then over there they've got Fat Tuesdays, they've got a Hooters. And then beyond that, I'm gonna show you guys the Coco Bongo. But you can see there is the flea market. If you need anything, basically you can scoop it up. If you forgot to bring an extra pair of swim trunks or shoes, if you need a tattoo, it looks like they've got tattoos. So that's the Mercado. All right, so as you can see, we're now coming up onto the main area. It is approximately 5 o'clock p.m. Obviously this is where Las Vegas and Cancun comes to life, but it's a little early. Tomorrow I'm going to Isla Mujeres, so you'll want to stick around for that vlog. If you haven't already subscribed to this channel, you'll want to do that. I really have been talking to a lot of friends from Oaxaca. A lot of the people down here are from Oaxaca. You got Senor Frogs, Fat Tuesday. Got some action going on over Fat Tuesday. Looks like the guy's calling us over. But Senor Frogs. This shirt says, I'm in Cancun. Got Coco Bongo, Hard Rock. It looks like the Hard Rock's going out of business. I don't know what's going on. Let's see, we got the Fat Tuesday guy. He's calling us over. He says he's got what we need. I'm gonna demand that that be all legal. ¿Qué pasó, amigo? Poquito español. Speaking Spanish. What you got? Necesito para tomorrow, mañana. Un photo?
Yes, let me show you.
Okay.
I got everything.
Cerveza.
I got it, cerveza. Want cerveza?
Oh my goodness, what was that? That was the thing that fell out of my hand. Just do it. Just do hit. No, amigo.
I got the real McCoy.
The real McCoy?
Where do you come from?
I come from the Arizona.
Oh, the immigration was there. I'm in Cancun.
Texas.
Texas. Look.
Texicano. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Do you have...
He's your friend, sir.
Hey, amigo, aquí way. Andale, arriba, arriba. He wants to show you something. Okay. All right, we're back out onto the streets here. Well, there you go. You just went through the main drag at about 7 o'clock in the middle of March. Shit. So commercialized in the hotel zone. It's like Las Vegas down here. There's the conversion rate as I make this video. This here here is the other side of the hotel zone when you actually start to head towards Isla Mujeres. You can see Isla Mujeres way off in the distance over there. So we'll kind of show you guys around here, but they got a pier, a couple restaurants, really nice area. All right guys, so here we are. In the Cancun hotel zone at 8 o'clock at night. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like down here at night. Maybe in a little bit, yes sir. Mandala. It's Mandala. No. Oh wow. Mucho gusto. No, we're here with party. We got Mandala, Cocobongo. Hola.
You wanna check it out, my friend?
It's okay right now, tomorrow. Hello? Oh, no thanks. Thank you. It's about 7 o'clock. This is where it gets going. As the night goes on, it definitely tunes up out here. Oh, thanks. Apparently there's a lot of strip clubs down here. Alright guys, that's going to wrap up this tour from around downtown Cancun Hotel Zone. Thanks everyone for watching and watching these other videos. All you new subscribers, shout out to you. And returning subscribers, special shout out to you as well. See you guys on the next one.